Hello everyone, this is Prajakta from Outlook HR Solutions. In this video, I'm going to share the next set of 25 words with their meanings in three languages, Hindi, Urdu and Telugu apart from English language, and their usage in sentences. Each word is divided into two parts with the help of apostrophe symbol. We need to stress on the word before the apostrophe for correct pronunciation. So here are the next set of 25 words. First word is artificial, made by humans often as a copy of something natural. आर्टिफिशियल को हम हिंदी में कृत्रिम कहते हैं, उर्दू में बनावटी, तेलुगु में कृत्रिमा. For example, the flowers in her vase were artificial but they looked remarkably real. Next word is artistic, having a creative or imaginative skill in the arts. Artistic को हम हिंदी में कलात्मक कहते हैं, उर्दू में फनकाराना अंदाज, तेलुगु में कलात्मका. For example, the gallery showcased the artistic talent of local painters. Next word is ascertain, to find out or determine with certainty. Ascertain को हम हिंदी में सुनिश्चित करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में मालूम करना, तेलुगु में खच्चिతంగా తెలుసుకోవడం. For example, the investigator needed to ascertain the cause of the accident. Next word is ashamed, feeling embarrassed or guilty. Ashamed को हम हिंदी में शर्मिंदा कहते हैं, उर्दू में शर्मिंदा, तेलुगु में लज्जगा. For example, she felt ashamed of her actions and apologized immediately. Next word is aspect, a particular part or feature of something. एस्पेक्ट को हम हिंदी में पहलू कहते हैं, उर्दू में पहलू, तेलुगु में दृष्टिकोणम. For example, the project has many aspects that need careful consideration. Next word is aspirant, a person who has ambitious hopes or desires. एस्पिरेंट को हम हिंदी में उम्मीदवार कहते हैं, उर्दू में उम्मीदवार, तेलुगु में आकांक्षा. For example, the young lawyer was an aspirant for a judgeship. Next word is assassinate, to murder someone, usually a public figure, by sudden or secret attack. Assassinate को हम हिंदी में हत्या करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में कत्ल करना, तेलुगु में हत्यकु. For example, the plot to assassinate the president was foiled by the intelligence agency. Next word is assault, a violent attack, either physical or verbal. Assault को हम हिंदी में हमला कहते हैं, उर्दू में हमला, तेलुगु में दाढ़ी. For example, the victim of the assault reported the incident to the police. Next word is assemble, to gather together or collect in one place. Assemble को हम हिंदी में समझौता करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में जमा करना, तेलुगु में अभिरुचिगा कलिगिंचु. For example, the team will assemble in the conference room for a briefing. Next word is assert, to state or express forcefully. Assert को हम हिंदी में जोर देना कहते हैं, उर्दू में दवा करना, तेलुगु में कट्टुकुन्नारू. For example, she had to assert her rights in the face of unfair treatment. Next word is assertive, having a confident and forceful personality. Assertive को हम हिंदी में प्रबल कहते हैं, उर्दू में दावे के साथ कहना, तेलुगु में तनगा पड़ुतुन्ना. For example, in negotiations, being assertive can help you achieve your goals. Next word is assess, to evaluate or determine the nature or value of something. Assess को हम हिंदी में मूल्यांकन करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में अंदाज़ा लगाना, तेलुगु में अंचना चेयु. For example, the teacher will assess the student's understanding through a test. Next word is assign, to allocate or designate a task or duty to someone. Assign को हम हिंदी में सौंपना कहते हैं, उर्दू में मुखर्रर करना, तेलुगु में अनुबंधिंचడం. For example, the manager will assign specific roles to each team member. Next word is assignment, a task or piece of work assigned to someone. Assignment को हम हिंदी में काम कहते हैं, उर्दू में मुखर्रर करना, तेलुगु में अनुमति. For example, the students were given a challenging assignment to complete over the weekend. Next word is assist, to help or support someone in completing a task. असिस्ट को हम हिंदी में सहायता करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में मदद करना, तेलुगु में सहायम चेयु. For example, the experienced employee offered to assist the new hires during their training. Next word is associate, to connect or link something with another. Associate को हम हिंदी में सहयोगी कहते हैं, उर्दू में शरीक होना, तेलुगु में अनुबंधम. For example, people often associate the smell of fresh cut grass with summer. Next word is assume, to take for granted without proof, to suppose. Assume को हम हिंदी में मान लेना कहते हैं, उर्दू में मान लेना, कबूल करना, तेलुगु में ऊहिंचु. For example, it's not wise to assume that everyone shares your point of view. Next word is assurance, a positive declaration intended to give confidence. Assurance को हम हिंदी में आश्वासन कहते हैं, उर्दू में यकीन, एतबार, तेलुगु में खच्चितम. For example, the manager provided assurance that the company would address the employees' concerns. Next word is assure, to make someone confident or certain about something. अश्योर को हम हिंदी में आश्वासन देना कहते हैं, उर्दू में यकीन दिलाना, तेलुगु में खच्चितंगा चेयु. For example, the doctor tried to assure the patient that the procedure was routine and safe. Next word is astonish, to surprise or amaze someone greatly. Astonish को हम हिंदी में चौंकाना कहते हैं, उर्दू में हैरान करना, तेलुगु में आश्चर्यपरुचु. For example, the magician's tricks never fail to astonish the audience. Next word is astound, to shock or overwhelm with amazement. Astound को हम हिंदी में चौंकाना कहते हैं, उर्दू में हैरान करना, तेलुगु में अतिशयमुगा चूपिंचु. For example, the sudden announcement of his resignation astounded everyone in the office. Next word is astute, having the ability to accurately assess situations or people and turn them to one's advantage. Astute को हम हिंदी में चतुर कहते हैं, उर्दू में होशियार, तेलुगु में विवेचना. For example, the astute businessman made strategic decisions that led to the success of his company. Next word is asylum, a place of refuge or safety, especially for those seeking protection. Asylum को हम हिंदी में शरण कहते हैं, उर्दू में पनाह, तेलुगु में आश्रयम. For example, the political refugees sought asylum in a neighboring country. Next word is article, a written or printed piece of content on a particular subject, often found in newspapers, magazines or online. Article को हम हिंदी में लेख कहते हैं, उर्दू में मजमून, तेलुगु में लेखा. For example, I read an interesting article about climate change in the newspaper today. Last word is athlete, a person who is proficient in sports and other forms of physical exercise. Athlete को हम हिंदी में खिलाड़ी कहते हैं, उर्दू में खिलाड़ी, तेलुगु में क्रीडा कुटुंबम. For example, the athlete trained rigorously for the upcoming marathon. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.